Okay, Miss Irma. So, how are you feeling today?
I feel very relaxed and with no pain, which I'm usually in a lot of pain.
All right, Miss Irma. And how did you feel when you first came in, and compared to now?
Compared to now, I was in a lot of pain. I couldn't sleep at night. I slept maybe 3 hours a night at the most, or I would have to wake up every hour on the hour to be able to stretch and get some relief from the pain.
Mm-hmm.
I was in a lot of Tylenol, and I don't take any Tylenol whatsoever now.
Mm.
So that's a big plus for me. I'm able to sleep 6, 7 hours without pain. Um, I, my emotional state is lighter. I'm happy. I mean, I'm usually a happy person, but I feel a lot of joy knowing that there's something to look forward to, that there is a light at the end of the tunnel, because
Mm-hmm.
you feel desperate sometimes.
Understand. And how do you feel? Like, have you been treated here with us?
Well, everyone's very friendly, and I feel like it's family. I feel relaxed. I feel that I'm able to. They take time to talk to you, and they talk to me in any subject I want. Especially, I love the Lord, so they'll talk to me about the Lord, and very encouraging. And it's just the atmosphere is very Christ-like for me.
Mm-hmm.
The music is Christ-like, so I always look for that because it relaxes me.
And would you recommend just anyone for our care here?
Of course. Usually when people ask me how I'm doing, I share with them that I found a new treatment therapy place to attend, and I share my experience. They seem surprised because they too sometimes can't find a doctor that will help besides surgery, which is we try to eliminate. That's what I'm trying to eliminate. I was told I needed surgery and to ease my pain, and now I'm finding out that's not necessary.